Do you have feelings of chest tightness or pain? Is your cholesterol level out of the healthy range? Do you love to eat food high in fat and sugar? If your answer is yes to all of these, your heart might be at risk. Coronary heart disease is the most common type of heart disease problem. It is the leading cause of death in the United States and third leading cause of mortality worldwide. Coronary heart disease happens when fat deposits accumulate in arteries, and over time, the arteries become narrower, causing blockage and affecting blood circulation. The biggest misconception is that older people will get heart disease. But heart disease is not age-specific. A 30-year-old individual who lives a very unhealthy lifestyle can also have heart disease. If a person has high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, is obese, and smokes, chances of having heart disease problem is very high. Here are the top 3 foods to eat that can help clean your arteries, prevent a heart attack, and restore your health. Number 1, oatmeal. Oatmeal contains a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucans, which helps to reduce LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol in our body. This soluble fiber is not absorbed in the intestine, but binds itself to cholesterol and eventually exiting from our body through the bowels. People who are iron deficient can eat oatmeal too, as oatmeal is rich in iron, supplying oxygen in the bloodstream. Oatmeal regulates blood sugar level and improves insulin sensitivity, making it the perfect food for people with diabetes. It keeps your stomach full for hours so you won't feel like eating too much food, which is good for people with overweight problems. Taking oatmeal is like literally cleaning your arteries and lowering blood pressure. It also flushes and gets rid of excessive waste that is sitting in our large intestine. The second food beneficial to your arteries and heart is flaxseed. Flaxseed lowers cholesterol levels by binding to bile salts so your body doesn't absorb the cholesterol. Flaxseed is also known for keeping your blood pressure levels stable and can even reduce blood pressure if the seed is consumed whole. Another very healthy food for people with heart disease is celery juice. Celery juice helps to detox the liver and reduce inflammation in the body. Celery contains a phytochemical called phthalides, which reduces blood pressure by relaxing your arteries and allowing blood to flow with less resistance. It is recommended to get organic celery and always clean the celery before juicing it. Celery juice has so much benefit to the body, and people without heart disease can drink it too. Here is a bonus tip. Sugar raises insulin, blood pressure, and causes chronic inflammation in the body. All these result to the formation of the plaque deposits in our arteries. I cannot stress this enough, but it is vital to cut back on sugar. If not, all these natural methods we use to reverse heart disease will not work. Lastly, when blood vessels are 50% blocked, it is not easily detectable as it will not cause any blood flow problems despite being a serious issue. When blood vessels are 70% blocked, it will affect blood flow and might be a little too late by then. Therefore, it is highly advisable that if you have mild hypertension and overweight, go for a comprehensive heart screening as soon as you can. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have questions regarding any health matters, do leave a feedback at the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video. Here is another video we believe you will enjoy. For more secrets and tips on living and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, do remember to subscribe to our channel.